Hey there! That sweet tooth of yours is going to get hungry after this video. Neda is making a super yummy, easy, no-bake cookie cake. She begins by putting the first row of chocolate cookies into a square-shaped measuring mold. And then continues making the cream filling with sugar, flour, eggs, and yogurt. The cream is off simmer, and now she's adding vanilla sugar and room temperature butter. Time to assemble the cookie cake. 1 layer of chocolate cookies and 1 layer of the smooth sweet cream. Doing the same procedure till the cake reaches the very top. This amazing cake deserves a yummy glaze as a topping. In a saucepan, she's adding sugar, cocoa powder, thick natural yogurt, and butter, mixing them well till it thickens. Pouring this glaze on top is so heavenly. She's cutting the edges around the 4 sides of the cake for better presentation of layers, and that's basically it. Not over yet. Neda is making 1 more cake for you today. She's preparing the wet and dry ingredients of the cake in different bowls like this. A lovely smooth consistency. The talented baker is gradually adding the dry ingredients and mixing them together till combined. Pouring the batter into the cake pan and off to the oven. What's a cake without a great filling into it? On a bowl, she's whisking 1 large egg with sugar, cornstarch, and milk. Bringing this mixture into a boil and then setting it aside to cool down. Amazing recipe! Are you guys enjoying this world of sweet and delicious desserts? The filling for this cake is going to be a very smooth chocolate buttercream, hence, she's now whisking the butter and the chocolate. A chocolate heaven! Neda is whisking the previous sweet cream again for more fluffiness, and then adding it to the chocolate and the butter. This is the consistency we're looking for. OMG! Saving some of that for decoration and off to assembling the cake. A layer of chocolate sponge cake, a drizzle of sweet syrup, and a considered amount of buttercream. Neda is doing the same procedure for all the layers till the top, and now is covering the whole cake in more buttercream. To decorate, she's adding cookie crumbs on the sides and cocoa powder on top. And this is the final product. So delicious! Bon appetit if you make it!